Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn German with me. Our today's lesson is lesson number 34, lesson-34, unbestimmte Artikel in nominative case. As I already told you in my previous video, there are three articles in nominative case. First is bestimmte article, which we already did in lesson number 32 and 33. Second is unbestimmte article, which we will be doing today. And third is negative article. Unbestimmte article in nominative case. Unbestimmte article is also known as indefinite article. There are three unbestimmte article: ein, eine, ein. Ein is a unbestimmte article for masculine noun. Eine is a unbestimmte article for feminine noun. And ein is a unbestimmte article for neutrum noun. There is no unbestimmte article for plurals in nominative case. Now the difference between bestimmte article and unbestimmte article. Like in English we have three articles, a, and the. So an is our unbestimmte article in German. Ein, eine. Ein for masculine and neutrum, eine is for feminine. And the is our bestimmte article in German. There, the, das is the. There for masculine noun, the for feminine noun, and das for neutrum noun. For example, das Kind, ein Kind. Das Kind means the child, ein Kind means a child. Der Hund, ein Hund. Der Hund means the dog, ein Hund means a dog. Die Katze, eine Katze. The Katze means the cat, eine Katze means a cat. Now I am going to tell you through this table. Here M stands for masculine, F stands for feminine, and N stands for neutrum. In nominative case, unbestimmte article for masculine is ein, unbestimmte article for feminine is eine, and unbestimmte article for neutrum is ein. Now the bestimmte article in nominative. And there is no unbestimmte article in nominative for plural. Now bestimmte article for masculine there, for feminine the, for neutrum das, and for plural the. There Äpfel. Äpfel is our masculine noun, that's why there Äpfel. Now the unbestimmte article for there Äpfel is ein Äpfel. Das is ein Äpfel. Now the Frau. Frau is a female. Frau is a feminine noun. That's why the Frau. Now the unbestimmte article for die Frau is eine Frau. Das ist eine Frau. Das Mädchen. Mädchen is our neutrum noun. That's why das Mädchen. Unbestimmte article for das Mädchen is ein Mädchen. Das ist ein Mädchen. Now for plural. In nominative case, bestimmte article for plural is die. Die Blumen. Die Blumen means the flowers. And in nominative there is no unbestimmte article for plural. Das sind Blumen. Das sind Blumen. No article. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.